Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're just doing a little air filter change. We had some work actually underneath there on the windshield wiper pumps. But I'm going to show you the filter you need for the 4.2 liter inline 6. You're going to need this bad boy. Got this off Amazon, super cheap. While I was in there, I just figured I would do that. So for the job, you're going to need a 5/16 socket or a flat blade to take off one hose clamp or just loosen it. You're going to need to disconnect your map sensor. And other than that, it's pretty easy. So you can see right here, we already have this out. So this piece right here is where your hose clamp's going to be. You loosen that up, doesn't need to come all the way loose. These type of connectors, guys, this hadn't really came off a bunch before, so I just take a flat blade screwdriver. If it has a red, yellow, blue, any other color plus the connector, it usually has a safety tab so it can't come undone. So pry that up and then push and pull that out of that. Then you have a squeeze clip down here. You can see these little knurling pieces. You're going to squeeze that, pop that down. That's going to hook here. And then from here, you have an intake horn that's going to come off. And then your old filter is going to be attached to here. So we're going to get the new filter out. And I'm basically going to reassemble it, showing you how easy it is. It takes about 10 minutes. All right, we got the new filter popped in. As you can see, it fits in this tray right here. Back here, you need to come down here and push this bad boy on. Now, there's really no way to misalign it because at the end of the day, it's going to line up with that tubing and it's going to sit in this groove, so you really can't screw that part up. All right, if this keeps popping off, it's because you don't have it seated all the way down in its little grooves. That should stay there. This is pretty easy. Once you squeeze it to get it off, you're just going to pop it back on. You should hear it click. There we go. Come over here. You're going to put your sensor cap back on. Snap, push down the tab to lock it in so it can't come on. Tighten that down so it's tight. Make sure it is seated in here 100%. Then from here, we come over here, get our little intake horn. You can see that groove right there. It's going to sit in that groove right there. Initially, you're going to feel like, wow, it seems like it's not staying in there. Just make sure it's sat in there. We grab our cover over here. And there are our 3 points. So I know I kind of did this backwards, but I want to take it back apart. So once I put this back on, I'm going to show you all of your points. You can see that hole goes to that hole. All right, it is all back together. So this one was stripped out. You don't have to over tighten these guys, so just keep that in mind. So I swapped that out with a little bit shorter one because these screws have like a threaded area. Let me see if I can find the old one. And then they have a piece, so it was either stripped out or something. So Phillips head down in this corner, here, lift the top of the air box off. 5/16 or flat blade screwdriver to loosen that up. Pop this loose, pull this off, take this cover off, squeeze tabs here, pop it down. Don't squeeze anywhere, don't use a screwdriver on that. Pop it down, take this off. You'll take this whole snorkel off, put the new air filter on. There's not a lot of give in it to do it. You can try it, but it's easier to go in one piece so it all fits in those grooves. And there you go, 10 minutes. I always put in whatever brand of vehicle I'm doing, I usually run their filters, but that's up to you guys. You guys, usually when it comes to filters, the other brands, a few brands cheaper. So unless it's like a Wix or a Napa or something that's like a name brand, if it's an off-market one from Amazon, I don't really know. The AC Delco is actually cheaper than the cheap one at the Autoport store. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. I'm going to catch you on the next one.